G'day guys, Grumpy Trev back again with another 5-minute bite of minute review. Well, I might go a bit longer than 5 minutes because I walk slow. But today I got this little thing here. This is the VIFLY Finder. Now, this is a self-contained finder, I guess. It's got its own little battery on it. Stick it on your quad, away you go, you lose the battery and the alarm goes off. So I'll give you a little closer look at it. On focus camera. You see, it is pretty small. Anyway, not much to see. I'm going to stick it on a drone, take it out, and we're going to give it a go and see how easy it is to find a lost drone. Let's go out. How are you, Stu?
Good, Trevor. What do we got today?
Look, I've got this thing here. I don't know if you can see it. It's very tiny. That's the.
It's just like your.
Yes, it is. It's that's
IQ.
That's the VIFLY Finder.
Yeah.
The guys sent me one to have a look at. So it's nice and small and compact, easy to install. So we're not going to fly this, but what we're going to do is Stu's going to go and hide this.
Play a bit of a game.
And I've got to go and try and find it. So we're going to plug the battery in.
Yep.
And then Stu's going to eject the battery. And this thing is supposed to go off and get louder. So I should be able to find it with my deaf ears. And,
old people.
My old people finder. So we're going to have a look and we'll give it a go.
All right. So you give me this. You can plug it in so you know that I'm not cheating you. You can already hear those beeps.
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to go do a simulation battery ejection, and then you've got to come find it. No peeking. All right. Promise.
I won't peek.
All right.
All right. Which way are you going to go?
I'm going to go over that. Which way do you want me to go?
We're going to go in the paddock, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm going to go put it in one of these trees.
Okay. All right.
All right.
I'll look that way.
You look this way. I'm going to go over there behind. Okay. Because I'll come back and tell you.
Okay.
All right, it is pretty windy here today, but luckily that doesn't affect the buzzer videos. Here, Trevor, edit this out. You know what? You're probably going to leave that in just to embarrass me. All right, which one of these trees should we put it in? Will it be behind tree number A, tree number B? We could have C, but I really think I want to mess with Trevor, and we're going to go the long range. We're going to put it way up here. I wonder too, does it start if you disarm? I wonder too, do you have to arm it first? I'm not sure. All right, so, okay, let's pretend Trevor's crashed. Here we go for the crash. Oh, Trevor's normal flying. There we go. So let's remember where it is. It's doing its light little beep. And we're going in here into Spider Central. All right, there it is, ladies and gents. Ooh, I can already hear that. That's pretty loud. Also too, I'm going to do a plug for Trevor here because this is on his video, and I feel like he doesn't monetize his videos, and he hasn't really mentioned anything yet, but he actually does have a Patreon. I support Trevor on Patreon, so you know, if you like his channel, if you like the stuff he's doing, and for an older bloke just sharing this passion of FPV, go check his thing out. I'm going to tell you, Trevor, put it down below because people would love to support you on Patreon, mate. So go check out Trevor's Patreon. Anyway, enough love festing. Let's go find the old man. Trevor, you look like you're going to the toilet, mate.
No, just one in the car. Well, that was your car.
Yeah. Was I meant to unplug the battery?
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
Oh, you want me to go do that?
You didn't unplug it?
No.
No, you're supposed to unplug the battery.
No, just messing with you, mate. Let's go.
No.
Let's go find it. Can you hear it already?
No, I can't, not yet.
I can hear it. I'm going to get on the other side.
You're going to get on the other side? Yeah, my good side. Hang on, let me do my hair. There you go. Well, I don't want it hanging out and getting me face.
Yeah. Tell me when you can hear it, mate.
So, you can hear it already.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah, it's easy to hear. Where'd it go?
I've just realised I'm going to stop walking. I'm going to trail Trevor because I don't want to lead him or mislead him. Here, I'll get you good side now.
Yeah, okay.
Perfect.
Beautiful.
You know what? I would love to put some googly eyes right there on the back of Trevor's head.
Yeah. Oh, it's getting louder. Oh, louder.
Has he gone past it?
Nah, in here somewhere.
We tried to mess with him.
Oh, here we go.
He's honing in.
Oh!
We'll see just how much we can mess with him. Trevor, wrong way, mate. Where you going?
Oh,
you've gone past it. Turn around.
It's in the fucking tree here somewhere.
Turn around, Trevor.
Oh, yeah. Here it is. Hang on. Where'd you stick it?
That's what she said.
Ah, it's in the tree somewhere. Ah, here it is. Look at that, guys.
Alright, so no batteries on that?
No battery, look, no battery plugged in. This little battery's doing this job. How good is that? Now, we only had a rough idea. I only had a rough idea.
Can we turn it off? How do we turn it off?
We can we can plug the battery back in. This is pretty simple. Plug it in. Give it 3 seconds. Unplug it. That's it. It's gone off.
Yeah, I'm surprised that works so well.
Yeah. Hang on. Maybe it hasn't.
I think it's a 1 second plug in.
Maybe it's
just a real quick did it and then pull it out, pull it out.
It says 3 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds. That's it. Makes those noises, that's done it. There is a button on the top which you can hold in for a couple of seconds. That also turns it off. But if you can't get to the button, in most cases you probably won't be able to. That's what you do with a battery. How good is that? I reckon it's shit hot. And they're only
I gotta say, that was loud.
Yeah.
Are they expensive?
They're about 15 bucks US, which is about $20 Aussie. But you can buy a pack. They've got a pack of 3 for $40. So work out to be, I think, no, was it 30 bucks? I don't remember how much it was.
He's going to link it right
I'll link that down below, and I'll put a little thing up on the screen, which is right there now. How much these things are. I reckon they're great value. It's a must if you don't want to lose your drone. They're coming down to a price now, these buzzers, that are affordable. So yeah, that's a winner in my book. I'm not going to bin this one, guys.